Sajek Valley, nestled in the Rangamti district of Bangladesh, is a hidden gem known for its breathtaking natural beauty and tranquil environment. Located in the Chittagong Hill Tracts, it sits approximately 1,476 feet above sea level and is often referred to as the roof of Rangamti. Geography and climate. Sajek Valley is situated in the midst of lush green hills and dense forests, providing a picturesque landscape. The valley is named after the Sajek River, which originates from the Karnafuli River. The climate in Sajek is generally mild, with cooler temperatures compared to the lowlands, especially in the winter months. This makes it a popular retreat for tourists seeking relief from the heat. Cultural diversity. The valley is home to several indigenous communities, including the Chakma, Mann, and Tripura peoples. These communities contribute to the rich cultural tapestry of the region, with their unique traditions, festivals, and lifestyles. Visitors to Sajek often get the opportunity to experience this cultural diversity firsthand, adding a unique dimension to their travels. Tourism and activities. Tourism in Sajek Valley has been on the rise due to its scenic beauty and serene atmosphere. Popular activities include trekking, hiking, and exploring the surrounding areas. The valley offers stunning panoramic views, especially from the Sajek Resort, a favored spot among visitors. The sunrise and sunset views here are particularly captivating. Accessibility and infrastructure. Despite its remote location, Sajek Valley has become more accessible in recent years, thanks to improved road infrastructure. The journey to Sajek is an adventure in itself, often involving travel through winding hilly roads and crossing the Kachalong River via bridges. Conservation and sustainability. Efforts are being made to promote sustainable tourism in Sajek Valley to preserve its natural and cultural heritage. Responsible tourism practices are encouraged to minimize the impact on the environment and local communities. In summary, Sajek Valley is a captivating destination that offers a blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and adventure, making it a must-visit spot in Bangladesh.